Hi everyone, I am Vaibhav and yesterday we have seen some interview questions of Java. So yesterday we have seen what is Java, what is JDK, what is JRE and what is JVM, as well as we seen what is desktop application, what is web application. So this is our day 2 and today we will discuss about access modifier. So let's see what is the meaning of access modifier. And our first question is, what are access modifier? Access modifier are keyword used to specify the declare accessibility of member or a type. So my another question is there, what is a member, or what is a member of types, or what is a member functions, and why we call that members? So let's discuss. So inside a class we are declare some variables and methods and constructors. So assign them to access modifier means, suppose I declare one class, that name is class student. Inside that I just created a one variable, that is the int a is equals, int roll number equals to 12. Okay, so how we access this variable and where we access this variable, for that purpose we are use access modifier. Means suppose I declare here public, so sorry I declare here public int roll number is equals to 12. So if I declare here public, then it will be access for anywhere, sir. So that's why I declare here. So this is the meaning of access modifier. So let's discuss again. Access modifier are a keyword used to specify the declared accessibility of member or a type. So my another question is there, sir. Second one question is there, sir. What are the access modifier in Java? So one access modifier we have seen, that is public. So how many and what are they? So first, Java support 4 access modifier. First one is private, second one is package, the third one is protected, and fourth one is public. Okay, so in Java we have 4 access modifier. Okay, so we will see in deep in our next session how it is. And so uh, for example, this is only theoretical purpose, we are preparing for interview purpose, so that's why I just cover with my theoretical purpose. So my third question is, sir, which modifier applicable to class is always public? Okay, means I discuss with you now, this is my class. Okay, class student. Okay, and inside that class I supposed to declare some member function. What's sir? Member or member member function. Okay, so my question is there, which modifier applicable to class? So class is by default it's a public, sir. So I just create with public keyword, or if I not create, then it is by default public, sir. So my next another question is there, sir. Question number 4, where we apply access modifier. So we apply to classes, method, constructors and fields, but not to block of code. So first one is classes, that's how we already seen. Okay, so next one is method, constructor. So inside method also we can, so no, not inside method, to method we can apply access modifier. Also we can apply to constructor and fields also, that we see in the our first example, int a is equals to 10 or int roll number is equals to 20. So this is my next one is, but we can't apply to block of code. Means we are not applied to block of code. Why we are not apply code? That is my next another question. Question number 5, sir. Why we cannot apply access modifier to block? Block doesn't have an identity. So what is the meaning of identity, sir? Identity means what, sir? Suppose Suppose I have one variable int a is equals to 10. So a is my identity, na? So that's why we are not apply to block any access modifier. So because block doesn't have any identity, this block here to here any identity is there, sir, but this class name have a one identity, na? So that's why we are apply there. Okay, we can't apply here. Okay, so I will discuss where we access the access modifier. Okay, this is my diagram or table, sir. Explain accessibility of member with access modifier. This is my access modifier: public, protected, default, private. Okay, and we can access public modifier in we can apply access modifier into within a class, within a package, subclass of same package, subclass of other package or other package. Means publicly access modifier we can apply or access anywhere, sir. Okay, if you apply a public access modifier to any variable, any member function, then you will be access anywhere, sir, within a class also, within a package also, or subclass of same package also, subclass of other package and other package also. So protected, second one is protected. Protected will also within a class, within a package, same subclass of same package and subclass of other package, but we can't access other package. Suppose I create one class, suppose here I create a one class, that is class, sorry, one package, package package p1, sir. Okay, and inside that I just created a one protected. Okay, suppose inside this package I create some protected member, and I have to access this member inside another package, sir. Okay, let's suppose I have package package p2. Okay, and I have to access this package inside this package to this protected access modifiers or access members. Okay, so we can't access here because this is another package, sir, and this is another package. So protected member we can't access in access modifier in other package. Okay, so default, third one is default, sir. Okay, so inside default, so where we access the default access modifier, if I create any member with the help of default keyword, then we access within a class, within a package, subclass of same package, but we can't access subclass of other package and other package. Okay, and third last one is, sir, private. So let's discuss private. The meaning of private is what, sir? Some security is there, na? Whenever private keyword comes into concerns of accessibility of member, then private means secure. So it's within a class only we can access, sir. So we can't access within a package, subclass of same package, subclass of other package or other package also, sir. So this class is only for access modifier, and the questions depends, every question is depends on access modifier, sir. Okay, so in tomorrow's session or next video we will see the next question is also there. So hey Java enthusiasts, I am excited to announce my latest playlist, that is mastering of core Java. There we will learn everything, how to perform Java programs, how to set a class path, and everything from basics to advanced levels. Inside that we will see the object oriented programming concepts There we'll learn Java call collection frameworks, stream, lambdas, or multi-threading, exception handling. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video where I will dive deeper into core Java master class is there, sir, and break it all down for you. So don't forget to subscribe and hits the notification bell so you will don't miss it. See you in the next one. Thank you.